everyone. We are Group 4. In this video, we will show how to do an effective cough. I am Sinta Arumsari. Will act as the nurse and my friend.
I am Ambrose Wahyuni as the patient.
I am Varga Legio. I as the assistant nurse.
We hope this video can help you understand the procedure. Thank you, and let's start. Good morning. I will teach you how to do an effective cough.
Good morning. I'm okay already.
First, sit upright and take a deep breath through your nose.
Next, hold your breath for about 3 seconds.
Then cough slowly 2 or 3 times.
After that, spiral the mucus into a tissue and take a short rest.
Finally, take slow deep breath and relax.
Thank you. I understand the step now.
You're welcome.